Hello everyone, my name is Kum Tatan. Welcome to this tutorial. Um, Today we're going to look at ICT Paper 2, May June 2022. So we'll be looking at the document production part of the paper. So let's get straight to that. So you'll be provided with this evidence document, sorry, with all these source files. You should have a folder somewhere in your computer with all these four files inside. So you probably have something like this with all the files inside. Now, the first task you are expected to do is to open the file evidence. So you need to open this an evidence document. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear in every page of this document. So need to uh, need to take note of this. So I'm going to with this, yeah, it is. Okay, so to do that, you just go to the header of the document. So you can get to the header by simply double clicking on the topmost part of your document, or you go to insert header and you click on header. You just anyone, yeah, I can click here or just select this. So to make sure everything appears under my name, center model number appears, I'll just type my name here, my center number. I'm gonna so GH probably I'll just say 01. Then candidate number, you write it, that's fine. So as you update your evidence document, no matter how many pages you get, your name is going to appear on each of these pages. Now the next thing you are being asked to do is to save this document in your work area, followed by your candidate number. For example, this is okay. So I'm going to just copy this in the exam. Your exam, you have to type everything, so make sure you type it exactly the way it is. So I'm going to go to file, save as this. So I'm going to save it as the top file. So 000, so I'll just say that's my center number, my candidate number. So that's okay. Now the next thing is okay, so you definitely need your evidence document for all your evidence as you go along. So we are done with this. Next we go to task 2, which is that you are going to edit the document for Tawara Adriatic Charters. The company uses a corporate house style for all their document. Paragraph styles must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. So they open the file j20charter.rtf. The page setup is to A4 portrait orientation. Do not make any changes to these settings. 3 paragraphs that have already been created. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name this. So I'm just gonna open up this document. I think I already have mine open, but you just need to come here, click on this, you should get into this document. This I should save it with a certain file name, which is this. So I'm gonna select this. Okay, I'm going to save as this. Control V here. So doc, that's the type of I'm using a Microsoft Word. So just click on save and I'm done. So I'll go back to this document. I need to show evidence of that. So I'll just take a snip of this. Probably, I mean, just the focus is this. So no, I'm close to getting here. So paste. So this is my evidence one. The next thing we're supposed to do is to so um, so we are done with this. So let's move on and place the text tower at center line. So I'm just going to copy that in the header. So I'm going to go straight to my header. So I said you can access the header by just double clicking at the top. I'll paste it here, go back to home, and then just click on center alignment. And I'm sure my text is at the center of the document. Now go on. This is place in the footer, automated page numbers, left align, your name, center number, and candidate number, right align. So I'm going to get a footer, I'm going to go to insert, footer. I'll probably select this. Another way you can put a footer is just to, you could just double click here, your footer should come up. Yeah, so you can even select the type of footer you want. So I need this, I need automated page number, bottom page number. Just take this, you can take whichever one you like. So I'm just gonna press tab, take me to the center. Next tab will take me to the end of the the right end of the footer. Now type my name, comma, center number, comma, and then my candidate number. So just do that too. Then once you're done, you can close header, or you just double click on the document. I think we're done with that. Next thing, so I just need to be sure this is right aligned. So let me just make sure of that. Okay, good. Now it's right aligned. So next thing is to make sure that the header is center line or the text will grab it. So I think this is done. We are done with this. Next, they say create the following paragraph. Style basing it on the default paragraph style. So we're going to create this style. I'm just copying this. So we're gonna create the style. To create style, you can just click anywhere away from your normal text. I'm gonna create style. The name, I think YC title. I'm gonna modify it. This we should use font style sans serif 34 font size, right alignment, bold italic. So I'm gonna do all of that. Area is a sans serif font. You could choose the one that you think is good. So area, I'll just go with this. 34, I think. Yeah, 34. Then I have bold, italic, right align. Next thing I have is single line spacing. So spacing before point 0, spacing after point 9. So go to format, paragraph, spacing before 0, spacing after 9, single line spacing. So definitely you will need evidence of this. Yeah, so you need it. So I'm just going to not here. Yeah, I'm just going to screenshot this before I close it down. I'm just take a snip of that before close it down. So you need this, you need all of this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'll do yeah, evidence 2. Good. Next, mm, yeah, I think we're done with this question too. We're done here. Um, Apply this the YC title paragraph tied to the title text yard center guide, charter guide. So I have to look for this and apply this to it. That charter guide. Okay, yeah, this just the first heading. So I'm going to look for my house that I just created. I think this is it. Good. So I've done that. Just ignore this. There is nothing here. So that's fine. This has been done. Next, select the subheading types of data and the following text up to including the paragraph ending you are free in. Okay, so here we're supposed to select, so from here all the way to here, types of data and the following text up to including the paragraph of following. Okay, so let me do that. Types of here, from here I have to go down. Okay, I think this is where it's supposed to end. Let me see. It's supposed to end here. So you can either click and scroll, or click at that point and scroll till you reach here, or you can just place your cursor here. Once you've clicked on that at the start, you hold down on, you come here, you hold down on the shift key and you press, it will select everything for you. The next thing is they change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So let me do that. Go to layout, more columns, 2. Here we have spacing 1 centimeter. Yeah, I think this is fine. Good. This is what, yeah, this is what it needs. This is okay. I don't know if they need evidence of that. No, I've not asked for evidence, so that is okay. We're done with that. Yeah, fine. So now let's import the image. Okay, 6. Import the image JDC.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning and alternate a variable. Rotate the image 180 degrees. So let me first do the importation and place it in the paragraph beginning and alternative. Okay, paragraph beginning an alternative to a verb. Let me search that. Okay, I don't know, my eyes just landed on it. Somewhere here, I'll put my cursor there so that I can insert pictures. This device. I'm going to try to locate. I think mine is on the desktop. Okay, this should be somewhere here. Yeah, I think this is the image. So this is my image. I'm supposed to rotate it. So to rotate, just click here. It should bring you up this screen, which you can use to do whatever you want. Okay, so we can rotate. This is rotation. Just do 180. You press enter. Yeah, our image has been rotated 180 degrees. Format the image so that it resides the width of is 4 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. It is aligned to the right of the column on top of the paragraph starting stating an alternative to a variable. So take note of this. We need 4 centimeters. The width is 4 centimeters. Aspect ratio maintained. Align to the right of the column. So we need right alignment. And then text should wrap around the image. So we're going to do that. So first things first, I'm going to click still on the image. I'm just going to come here. If you look here, this is the width of the image. You can just do 4 centimeters wide. Good. If you can't get access to this place, which I think you should definitely have, you can do size and position. Put 4 centimeters, and then you put the 4 centimeters here on 180 degrees. This is when the most appropriate place to do it. Now lock. The aspect ratio is supposed to be maintained, so you lock it. And next, text wrapping, you can use tight. Yeah, you can use tight so that the text wraps around the image. No, both sides. Then position, let me see, alignment, you can do right alignment. Okay, so that is it. This is what you need to do. So we are done with this question 2. Okay, the next question says sort the list from where, let's see, from where navigation all the way to water sport equipment into alphabetic order. So I'm going to locate that list quickly. Okay, here's the list for all the way here. So I'm just going to hold down my shift key and just going to select like this. Now normally you won't see sorts here in this quick access toolbar, so you can search for your sort if you don't find it there, and you can right click and add it to the quick access toolbar. I've added mine already, but I'm just showing you. Then you click on sort. So alphabetic order means ascending order, so this is okay. I'll just pick okay. That is my list B, C, E, F, so it's sorted out. Now I'll go to line spacing. One let me check. I'm not so sure about this. Okay, that's for question 8. They say apply bullets to all the list in step 7, and we are done with this. So let me check this first. Now they say apply bullets to all the list in step 7. Make sure that the bullets are aligned at the left margin. The list is in single line spacing. So left margin, single line spacing after each line, 6 points after the last item in the list. So let me do that. Going to apply first the, yeah, I think this is okay. Oh, this is okay. So I'm going to click here, single line spacing 0. There should not be spacing between the lines. Then if you see the alignment is not very good, so we need to make our alignment to be on the to follow the way the page layout is. So I'm going to put left alignment. It should align 0 so that it follows the page layout. Now the series should leave 6 point space after the last item in the list. So I'm just going to locate the last item. There are two ways that there could be many ways to do, but I'll show you 2 ways. So the first way simply is for you to, you can hit the enter key and clean up that map. Change the font here to 6, and that is it. Another way would be that Oh, I've gone too far. You can just select this last line, come here, and then you do ticks after. Yeah, I think the first way is much easier and faster. So that is it, it's the same thing. So that is it about that question. So I can click this. Next, number 9, they say the YC software paragraph will already been created and applied. Modify YC software paragraph size so only the following formatting is applied. So I'm going to work on this. So YC software paragraph has already been created. Okay, so I'm going to locate that. Okay. These are the software. So I'll just click on one of them. Says thing that will open it. I'll modify it. So they say we should do serif font size 16, alignment center, bold, italic, single, 6 point. Okay, let me do that. Serif font could be Photos Times New Roman. I'll pick 16, bold, italic. Remove the underline. Next, single line spacing 0, 6 points after. So I have format or content formatting here, paragraph, single line spacing, yes, 6 point after. So that is it. Definitely they will ask for the screenshot of evidence of this. That's evidence 3. So I'm going to just snip one more. So this is it. Okay, evidence 3. Okay, this evidence 3 here. So that is it. Okay, this is okay. This happening. Okay, I think this is what we need for the time. Okay, so the next question. So we are done with this. Question 10. They said locate a table in the document, apply the right table style to this text into the all the text in the table. So I'll do that. Okay, here's the table. This. Okay, this is the table style. Next thing the one wants to do is open this. Format only the first 2 rows of the table so they look like this. Format the table so that one point back container has not payment printed or text on each row displays on one line table orders. Okay, there's 6 point width after the table. So I'm going to let me have a look at that again. Here's a wrong document. Okay, so I'm going to first of all insert borders. Sorry, of foot borders or borders. Good. Next, I'll try to readjust the table so that it fits within the borders. I'll try to do a little bit of adjustment. Now, if you notice on the first row, okay, these two first rows are meshed. So this and this I'll mesh the cells. This I'll merge it across. Mesh cell. Good. So I'm going to pull this. Just going to pull this part upward. Good. Next, this is what okay, okay, this is fine. Mm, yeah, you can readjust this to just make sure everything fits perfectly well. You say everything should be on a single line. I think this is fine. Mm, yeah, you can do a little adjustment inside. Uh, yeah, do a little adjustment and good. So I think this is very okay. Now they said we should leave 6 points space after the table. So you can just click at the ending of this line, come here, then you do a 6 point spacing before. I think that was 6 after, so I'll put it before 2. Anyway, let me just cancel that. Let me use this. Then here I'll change it to 6. Yeah, that one is better. So this is what they need you to do, but we need to apply some coloring to these two rows. So I think this is fine. Yeah, this is okay. So let me check. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. And just pull this a little off. Good. This is okay. So this is done. Spell check and proofread the document. So I think we've reached the final part of the task. So to spell check, you can just click here as well. Spelling and grammar. So this is just for you to check if there are any. This is a name, so you don't need to worry about that. Just ignore. Yeah. So that is fine. So, but if you see something which is obvious, you can always change that. Now you need to the last part. Yeah. So just to verify these aspects, you can check this out. You have to print out a document. Just go to your print. So yeah, you can check your file. This page 1, page 2. So I think the document is fine, everything is okay. So you don't have more than 2 pages and the list is on a single page. So we've come to the end of this tutorial and so yeah, I was done with this. So this is to me, this is just a bonus mark. So that was it about this section of the paper.